Constant Contact Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Constant Contact is just an email tool. The surprising truth is, it's a full marketing platform offering email campaigns, social media integration, automation, and reporting, making it ideal for small to mid-size businesses. The email plan starts at per month for up to 500 contacts. It includes customizable email templates, contact management, basic reporting, and sign-up forms. This plan is perfect for small businesses getting started with email marketing. The Email Plus plan begins at per month for 500 contacts and adds automation, event marketing, surveys, coupons, and polls. It's designed for businesses that want to engage audiences beyond simple email campaigns. Pricing scales with the number of contacts, so as your audience grows, so does your monthly cost. This ensures that you only pay for what you need, but it's important to plan for growth. Constant Contact also integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, allowing businesses to create targeted campaigns based on purchase history. Automation features help save time by sending follow-up emails, reminders, and personalized offers. In conclusion, Constant Contact Pricing reflects the breadth of its features and the size of your audience. Choosing the right plan allows small and medium businesses to engage contacts, automate workflows, and measure results effectively, giving you strong value for your money.